Hey YouTube, this is Robert, and there's a guy on YouTube that wanted to see a continuation of my Toyota truck total that's been going on for about 9 years now. The truck got totaled back in May of 2010 when my son was driving it, and anyway, so this is like the update that the gentleman was wanting to see. A little history. It's had like 2 paint jobs done on it, put the wheels on it back when I first bought the truck back in 2002. Bought it here in Texas. It's been to Hawaii, Mexico, all over the United States. Put like 3 engines in it. Had a blown head gasket back in 2007. Then had the timing chain of death episode back in 2013. So me and my son have rebuilt it like a couple of times. Put the new seats in it probably about 5 years ago. The new bezel in it probably about 4 years ago. Put a lot of LC engineering parts into it probably about 4 or 5 years ago. But then about a year ago we decided it was burning a lot of oil, and the last rebuild that we did it at a local machine shop, and we think that they just I was kind of like pressuring them to get the rebuild done. We think they put cheap stuff into it, and it sort of, after about 30,000 miles, it was like burning probably a quart of oil every oil change. I went to Mexico one time, and I went 1,600 miles, and it burned 2 quarts of oil. So it's just like, man, I gotta do something. So anyway, went ahead and heard a lot of good things about 22RE Performance, and decided to get a stage 2 motor from them. So I'll go ahead and pop the hood and show you that. We'll fire it up. So the motor was complete probably about March of last year, so probably about 16-17 months ago. It's kind of dirty. Probably clean it up today, but there you go. Got some LC parts on it, cold air intake, the distributor, some of the stuff's from 22RE Performance. You can see the stickers, so a little plug there for them. Just got done having my son just got done putting a new throttle cable on it too from 22RE Performance. Just got done having some serious issues with the I was getting a check engine light on it too, and it was throwing a 21 code, and it was just like hesitating really bad and just really not having a good performance. So anyway, my son has a 1994 Toyota pickup 2 4-wheel drive, and I just took his old stock oxygen sensor off it, and seems to be running really good now. It's running like best it's ever run before, so we'll go ahead and fire it up. Five-speed aircon. Like I said, I put the 94 bezel in here a while ago, and then I put it used to be just a straight pickup, but I put the clock in here and a little bit of upgrades. Rebuild about 246,000 miles, and I got 258,000 on it now, so had 2 or 3 oil changes on already. Still a little cold. It's probably about 90 degrees here in Arlington, Texas. Noisy 22RE. got done giving it a wax job. Body's still pretty straight. It was done probably about 5 or 6 years ago. I got to get, there's a spot right there, and I think a spot right here where I got to do some PDR to it. I don't put too many miles on it anymore. Got the LC Engineering header on it. American Racing mags. Torque Thrust D. Still pretty clean, but it's a little dusty. We painted our garage lately, so you can see a little couple of paint spots on the truck where it got a little bit of overspray. Gotta chip that off. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Give me some comments, whatever, okay? Peace out. And I'll give the exhaust a little bit more. Let you listen to the exhaust a little bit with that header. Got a stage 2 engine in it, so when it comes down to a regular idle, it'll get a little cammy. Still a little high idle, but got a MagnaFlow muffler on it. Hey, Kara. My neighbor.